NTG4.5. Pull the hand box. Pull down these two buckles. Use tools to pry open the panel. Use tools to pry open the panel at different positions. Use a hook to pry open the two buckles inside the air vent. Remove the panel. Remove the original vehicle cable. Unscrew these two screws. Remove the original car host. Remove the original vehicle cable. Remove the Grails cable from the original car. Insert the original Grails cable into the CarPlay's female plug. Insert the CarPlay's cable into the original Grails interface of the car. Transfer the original car fiber optic cable to the CarPlay power cable. Connect the original car power cord to the CarPlay power cord. Insert the CarPlay power cord into the original car host. Original car plug docking. This is the appearance of the box. 5.8-inch 3,568 on or 358 on. 7-inch 368 on. Connect all wires of the box. The antenna cannot be attached to iron. Connect USB cable. The box can be placed inside the side cover. Original car audio selection O. Press and hold the C key for 3 seconds to switch the interface. Mobile search box Bluetooth pairing. Pair. Allow.